Hippie fam, what's up? Guess where I am? Yes, I am at another pet expo, and look who I have right here. Do you know who this is? Can you guess who this is? This is the pet that I introduced or semi-introduced in one of my previous videos, and I never told you who it was. So this is Ari, and Ari is a Green Cheek Conure. And guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess who I met? Ah, Love of Pets is here too.
And my dog.
Oh yes,
I'm really good. I'm having a good time. I met my hamster breeder here, and I got all the stuff. And I got my dog. Want to see?
Yes.
That's Oasis.
Oh, hi Oasis. How are you? Look at it. It's a boy.
Yeah.
Look at his ears. Did you do that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Feathers.
That's
He's got feather
amazing.
extensions in his ears.
He is so cute. He's a standard poodle.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
He's my carrier.
Your carrier. Ah, he's got the camera. He's got the bags. He's got the dog. Hi.
Hi.
You did a really good job with his ears. I like
Thank
it.
you.
Yeah. So we're here and we're looking around, and I am gonna try and find my friend who has her baby parrots here, and I'm gonna see if she'll let me watch her while she films hand feeding them. Isn't that so cool?
Yes.
Yeah.
I want to see too.
Yeah. Okay. So let's go find her. Does he talk? Just joking.
You're also cute. Yeah, she's really good.
Look at the nails.
I know, I just trimmed them this
I was
morning.
going to say, do they need trimming
Yeah.
sometimes?
I normally don't trim them because they have logs and stuff in their enclosure, so it's easier for them to climb with the nails.
Right. Oh, she's looking at me.
Look at her tail. How long it is.
She's looking at me.
Very sharp teeth.
Maybe she wants to bite me.
No, she's looking at the dog.
Oh, maybe she wants to eat the bird.
Bird.
What's he saying?
You got a dog on your, or a bird in your
Oh. What are you doing?
I'm drinking water. I'm so hot. Look at me.
I know it's hot in here.
They need to put like the air on or something.
I know.
Or
The
a
thing
fan
is,
or-
it's like that in between springtime where you come in with a jacket, but you really don't want to be coming in with a jacket. Yeah, I lost my jacket over there. Yeah. So I found the lady that has the babies that will hand feed. So I'm just waiting for 4:30, so then we can capture that. But you can see the reflection of me filming this.
I know, that's why I try to move up with the reflection.
Well, it's not working out so well. Wow, look at this. Do you want to see like the biggest turtle in the world? How much did you say it weighed?
7 pounds. Really big.
He's huge. Look at him. Look at this.
Can I pet them or no? Wow, they're so smooth. Yeah.
Ari was starting to nibble at my fingers, which I've learned means he's hungry. So I came back to the car, just taking a little break, and he's eating some of his pellets, right? And he just had some water.
I'm seriously surprised how good Ari has been today. He got into his harness for the first time with like 0 resistance. Well, okay, maybe like 2% resistance. And then he's been riding around with me. When we go outside, he's sitting. I don't know if you can see him. Can you see him? Yeah, he's like sitting right in my coat, which is great. And then when I'm inside, he's been pretty much going to everybody, stepping up onto them. What I'm trying to say is he's been really, really well behaved. And yeah, I guess there's a reason why the breeder I got him from really liked him, because he has a really good temperament. I'm really, very, very pleased with his performance today. I thought I would have a hard time finding Love of Pets again when I came in from the car, but no. Found her! Oh, and I found him too! they're taking pictures of animals like dogs, and they'll take a picture of my little birdie. Looks like it's some sort of an audition for a TV show, I don't know, so why not? Let's get a picture taken. Yeah, he's just a baby. Oh, he's out for socialization today.
Wow.
Yeah.
So he doesn't fly or anything?
He's clipped, but with the harness he can't fly, so just extra security in case he gets away, yeah. I made a mistake. I lost track of time, and the babies are gonna be fed right now, and that was like supposed to be like 4 minutes ago. Sorry. So I gotta rush over there now. I hope she's not done, because that would really suck. Okay, where am I going? So I'm an idiot. I got so caught up at that last booth that I missed the hand feeding. But I do want to show you some really cute little Myers chicks. They're in the incubator. Have a look at them. You want to see my Linny's brother? He's the green one that is right over there. Apparently he has quite the different personality from mine. I'll show you right now. I think I'm starting to get tired now. What about you?
Oh, I'm exhausted.
I am like really tired. I'm so mad at myself I missed the feeding.
Yeah.
I'm an idiot. So I'm gonna tie up the vlog here. So thanks Love of Pets for being in my video. And
Oh, you're
thank you, Stuff Carrier.
Stuff carrier, that's funny.
Is that
Stop carrying.
What was your name? What did you want?
Scratch guys.
A Scratch Guy. Scratch Guy. Sorry. What was that? Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.